Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening everybody. Now I have the segment from mrs.Sari. The segment is the make sentence from the tongue twister B and B sounds and V and F sounds. Okay, this is the third segment. Okay, the first sentence is Kathy bets with her sister to make up their pet, but their mother will put the pet in the bay to pay the ticket to watch bear show in Bear Palace, ride a ball car and wearing clothes from Paul. Okay, the second sentence is the subject of movie that the title is suspect of theft, table and apple. That movie telling about the rapid rabbit thief happy baby with used rope from road. The third sentence is very beautiful and vanish. She will vanish in the future because culture and folk will extinct and her vocal enter to file magic and fail magic. Okay, the fourth sentence is the mermaid life. She live in the sea. Her hobby is go to cafe beside cave that sieve black magic to save the wife of 5 dolphins in order to she has big profit to provide to her king. Okay, I'm so sorry because I have very many mistakes for that, and I think that's good night and nice dream. Thank you very much.